Yeah. Is milk and beef cheap? I don't know. I don't remember. Soy is good. Soy is good. More rice. This is red rice. Look at these grains. They're much longer. Look how long these are. That's crazy. Soybean ASMR. Then green beans. Green beans are good for the summer. In the summertime, people make green bean soup. More of these millets. And then more rice, more rice. More rice, more rice. What's these? Fuling? What are these? 上海的市场好像很干净。We're not in Shanghai. We're in Shandong province. But yeah, these supermarkets are clean. Where's coffee? Look, oil. In China, we eat a lot of sunflower seed oil, and we eat a lot of peanut oil. You know, before I moved to Canada, I never knew that people would be severely allergic. I didn't even know people would be allergic to peanuts. I never knew people would be allergic to peanuts. But then I'm like, what? People get allergic? Not only allergic, like severely allergic. That was unheard of. You know what I mean? Anyway. Oh, here. Buy a noodle and then get a free bowl. Here you buy a pack of noodles and it's a free bowl. Wow. What the hell? Wait guys, I got a text message. This is the weirdest thing. Someone sent me a text message. Wait, that's not a text message. Where is it? Someone said, hello. My friend and I are playing a blind box game. The loser chooses a random number and becomes friends with him. So I sent you a message. I hope it doesn't disturb you. What the hell? I got a... Wait, am I back? I got a message on WhatsApp. Someone said the loser pick a random number. It's a scam. Damn these scammers. They're going to get your personal information. What are these? Hey, cheese! This is how cheese looks like in China. Oh, this is mozzarella cheese. What is this? Just called fresh cheese. Looks like blocks of tofu. It's a trap. I won't. Okay, what else do we have? What type of cheese? China made, I guess. New Zealand, hey. Their vehicle extended warranty. Butter. New Zealand grass-fed butter. What the hell? New Zealand grass-fed butter? Is this grammatically correct? I don't think this is grammatically correct. Yeah, they fed the butter. Wow. What are these though? Oh, this is cheese, but they put it in a cute container. An owl container. It is correct. Oh, shit. Oh, they have all kinds of containers. You can get it just from looking at it. You break, you buy. No, I didn't break anything. I have been trying to teach you about vehicles extended warranty. 进口冷链销售. This is all imported cheese. These are kind of expensive because they're imports. Wow, look at this. So small. These are so tiny. Orange plum pudding. So small. Cute. What else do we have here? More pudding. These packages are so cute. If there's anything, I just love these packaging. Pudding. I guess Shandong has a good economy. Peach pudding. What else we have? Oh, here, this is good. These are delicious. I should get some. I'm literally just here to browse. Where's mom? She'll be back soon. Oh, here. Oh, this is something new. I got a half time. This is new. This is bagged Frick. I have to work, but Giselle's hours are true, so I have to watch. Hi. Okay, what the hell is this? Yogurt. Bagged yogurt, and then look, they give you a straw. So you put the straw inside of this bag, and then you drink the yogurt from this. How cool is that? A girl in the background is staring me down. Been slowly doing my December budget this whole time. Wow, you do your budget. That's very responsible. Powdered milk. I don't think it's powdered. Oh, frozen dumplings. Yum. This is good. 轻推轻拉 push. Who is that girl in the background? Where? I don't see anybody. So many dumplings. People still want import milk? Yeah, people still want import milk. Orange juice. There's nobody behind me. Alright, then what else do we have? Soy sauce. Look at the size of the soy sauce. We literally use soy sauce on everything. This is the size of it. Why do people want to import milk? Thank you for 100 bits. Thank you so much.
You're a good sport.
Oh, thank you. Is this a chain grocery store? Yeah, it is. Why do people want to import milk? Because the milk in China had caused problems. So there were milks that babies drank that's made in China, and they were so bad, and they put some chemical in there that caused actually brain damage or something to the kids, and then people don't really trust the milk that's made in China. So everybody get imported milk and imported cheese. Here, yogurt, especially formula for kids. Adult stuff is alright, but formulas people get import stuff. They didn't die. The kids didn't die, they just developed problems. Why is it so bad? Because you have to support a population so large that companies just put weird stuff in there, right? To get more product with less corn. Look, coffee. Cafe latte. Formulas is not like China-made formulas for babies are not good. Everybody imports them from New Zealand or Australia, Canada too. Ramen. Okay, what else do we have? This place is huge. It's not even the biggest shopping grocery store. You're Canadian? Nice. Where are you? Which part of Canada? Yo, dude, I did a cross Canada trip 2 months ago. Oh, yo, I should get this. This looks so cool. Look at this. What the hell is this? Japan milk radiation problem on China. What is this? You're on the East Coast? Which part? I lived in Halifax for 7 years. But what is this? The sucky thing. People cross border to Hong Kong and get milk powder and cause shortage. Oh wow. You're in It's 9:40 me in Jamaica. Oh wow. What about breastfeeding? Breastfeeding people do that. Whoa, look at this packaging. Interesting, huh? Altman. Pure milk. Look, this is called pure milk, but it's out in the air. It's not